Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the final episode of Kodaikanal travel series. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you some beautiful places as I drive through the villages like Poombarai, Poondi and Kilavarai, which are situated around the hill stations of Kodaikanal. So let's start with Poombarai. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe so that you won't miss out on any new travel videos posted in this channel. And also make sure to share this video with your family and friends. Poombarai is a beautiful place which is situated around 18 kilometers from Kodaikanal and located at the height of 1920 meters above sea level in the heart of Palani hills. And today we are just driving through these beautiful villages of Kodaikanal and showing you some breathtaking views and landscapes around these places. As per 2011 census, this village has population of around 5,500 people and there are about 1,500 houses laid out on this beautiful landscape. If you are planning to visit this place, then there are few public transport like buses available directly from Kodaikanal town. Or you can also book a cab or you can visit this place with your own vehicle. But make sure you have enough fuel in your vehicle as there are no fuel stations in and around this village. Poombarai is renowned for its stunning natural beauty with lush greenery, rolling hills and picturesque viewpoints. The main attraction of this village is terrace farming, which resembles the terrace farming of Bali, Indonesia, which gives the village an aesthetic landscape. The main crop grown in this region are garlic and carrots, which are comfortably settled among the terraced fields. There are very few accommodations available at this place, where you can plan for your stay at this beautiful village. Or else you can also plan for a day trip from Kodaikanal and enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. As per the recent update, Tamil Nadu government has announced that the tourists visiting the places like Kodaikanal or Ooty, then they should get a prior permission and a e-pass to visit these places. I think it's a good decision to avoid overcrowd of tourists to these places during the peak season. Poombarai is still a developing tourist place and there are no much coverage of mobile network or ATMs around this place. So make sure you carry some cash while visiting these places in Kodaikanal. After some beautiful drive through Poombarai village, we are now heading towards another beautiful village called Pundi. Poondi is a tiny village located around 40 kilometers from the main town of Kodaikanal and around 20 kilometers from Poombarai village. Similar to Poombarai, we are going to witness some beautiful landscapes, lush greenery and the terrace farming around the Poondi village as well. Surrounded by lush greenery and the natural beauty, this village is also famous for its garlic and carrot production. The roads around this village are a bit steep and you will be driving through lot many curves, so be careful while driving on these roads. Our visit to Poondi was just to enjoy the surrounding hill stations and the spectacular views of these farmlands, and driving through these hill stations itself a unique experience. It was quite a sunny day here, and we had got clear visibility of natural beauty of the surroundings. As I mentioned before, if you are planning to visit these villages in Kodaikanal, then make sure you have enough fuel in your vehicle, as you will not find any fuel stations around these places. So, I would recommend to get it filled at Kodaikanal itself. There are like 1 or 2 accommodations available around this village, and you will not find any restaurants or hotels around this place. So plan your trip accordingly. Look at those beautiful villages at the far distance, which are laid out on the top of the terraced landscapes. The entire place is covered with some tiny villages, which are almost isolated from the modern lifestyle, surrounded by stunning hill stations. Kodaikanal is a place where you will witness cold weather throughout the year, and it is one of the beautiful places situated in southern part of India. But most of the tourist places within Kodaikanal are commercialized and overcrowded by tourists. So, if you are planning to visit Kodaikanal, then I would recommend to try visiting some nearby places of Kodaikanal, as I showed in this video. So guys, that's it for the day, and if you like this video, then please hit on like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your family and friends. We'll come back soon with new travel video. Until then, take care.